I think if you look at our leadership group, about 25% of them started on the manufacturing floor. Supervisory level is closer to 80% of those started on the manufacturing floor as associates. And that goes to all spectrums of the business.
We always say that we're willing to train anyone that's willing to learn. So anyone that can come in the door and to be eager to learn, whether it's new material or something they've done in the past, just willing to start with a fresh mind and learn something new.
When I came here, I'd been working seasonal job. I wanted something permanent and stable. I was supposed to work for one day as a temp at assembly. I ended up being put on the burr bench after that. I went from the burr bench to a laser to a lead to a supervisor.
You can go quite a ways if you apply yourself and take the opportunities when they're given and not wait.
You look back 4 years ago and we were 3 facilities and we've over doubled in size as far as different facilities.
There's always a position here. There's always room for growth here, and it's fun. The people really make this place. I mean, it really does become like a family.
The work atmosphere is very light and people get along real well.
We have a very strong group of smart people who are dedicated to the company, and they welcome new hires.
They give me everything I need to get where I want to be.
You know, I'd be happy to have anyone join our team, and I think at the end of the day, they'd be glad that they joined the family.